First, we're going to talk about cleaning your iron. Always make sure you check the manufacturer's instructions for best practices. But if you want to do a quick clean, when your iron is cool, you can run a damp cloth over it to just kind of clean up the surface. If you have some like sticky residue, maybe you've used a fusible, there are different iron cleaners you can buy, and you'll just follow those instructions and clean off the surface. You can also get in like the tiny holes and detail areas. If you do a mixture of half vinegar, half water, you just dip your Q-tip in there and kind of go around the more detailed areas. Next, I'm going to show you how to clean your cutting mat. If it just has some threads or fuzz, you can take an eraser to it and just kind of clean up some of those areas. But if it needs a deeper clean, you can take a mild detergent with some room temperature water. You're just going to kind of pour a little bit on your mat and use a soft bristle brush and just kind of scrub around. And then you will rinse it off and let it dry. Next, we're going to clean our scissors. If they're a little dirty, you can just take a clean cloth and wipe them down. But if they need a little extra cleaning, you can mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 2 cups of water. Take a cotton round or cotton ball and get it a little wet, and then you're going to give it a good cleaning. Make sure that when you're done, you dry it off to prevent any rusting. With continual use, your rotary cutter is going to get buildup of some lint both on the outside of the blade and kind of in the back. So you want to take everything apart carefully and wipe everything down separately and then reassemble. So you'll clean each little component, and you can see there's a lot of dirt on here, so you just want to wipe everything before reassembling. When using your rulers, they can sometimes pick up dirt and grime and a little oil from your hands, so it's good to give them a good wipe down. You can use 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 2 cups of water. Just dip a cloth in there and then give it a good wipe down. And that'll keep it clean and also get rid of any extra residue. It's a good idea to regularly deep clean your sewing machine to get rid of all the lint that collects in your bobbin case and in your machine. We recommend setting up a regular cleaning schedule so you make sure your machine is always clean and in good working use.